Hello everyone! Today we're going to learn from Mr. Nakai of Fuji Idoki about electrolyzed hydrogen water generating device, recognized as a medical device, and about the high-quality electrolyzed hydrogen water. Hello, Mr. Nakai. First, I would like to explain to you about the tap water that we use. Right now, the natural environment is changing on a global scale. Probably heard from newspapers or TV about rivers and lakes being polluted due to runoff from industrial wastewater and sewage in the past. Standards and regulations are stricter now, and these problems no longer occur. However, you may have heard of PM 2.5, which is a mixture of airborne yellow sand from China, factory smoke, smokestack dust, and car exhaust gas. This is PM 2.5. And even smaller particles called PM 0.5 have an effect on our bodies. We feel concerned every time an environmental pollution incident occurs. However, Japanese tap water is protected by standards that eliminate or restrict these pollutants from water before delivering it to your homes. But there is another problem. As you can see here, rust and slippage in water service pipes and reservoir tanks is now becoming an issue. Japanese tap water has some of the strictest standards in the world. Tap water must fulfill these 51 water quality standard items. Because of this, Japanese tap water must fulfill more standards and is safer than in many countries around the world. Though tap water is safe, that doesn't mean it's beneficial for your health. We want you to drink water that is beneficial for your health. I will explain more about this next. The tap water you drink is sterilized using chlorine. Bacteria are removed with chlorine. Bacteria in tap water must be disinfected using chlorine, according to the Water Supply Act. As you can see here, you can easily check chlorine like this. If the original water was in good condition, the color will be light. But if the original water was in bad condition, the amount of chlorine will be greater. Now, let's use this DPD test drug to measure the amount of chlorine in this tap water. The DPD test drug shows the amount of chlorine based on the color that appears when you dissolve it. Now the color is appearing. It changed colors immediately. Just now, we measured the amount of chlorine. The pink color means that the amount of chlorine is low. This is a bit more. You can tell that the tap water contained this much chlorine. The human body is composed of 70% water, so water is extremely important to us. Babies are about 80%, An adult male is about 70%. And as we age, this decreases to 60% or 55%. Our amount of water is essential. A healthy body needs about 2.5 liters of water per day. This 2.5 liters includes water gained through eating, drinking, and internal generation. So the amount of water we need to drink is 1.2 liters. A healthy person drinking that much will expel 2.5 liters of water. The mechanisms of the human body require this much water. And if we're going to drink this large amount, its quality is also important. Drinking high-quality water is the first step in creating a healthy body. These are each flavorless, odorless, and transparent, but their characteristics differ. This is water from the electrolyzed hydrogen water generating device. We're going to use a pH test drug to perform an experiment. Each of their colors has changed. The left one is acidic, the middle one is neutral, and the right one is alkaline. This shows the difference clearly. Next, I'd like you to look at the effects of electrolyzed hydrogen water through several other experiments. We will use this green tea bag to experiment on the extractive power of electrolyzed hydrogen water. The tap water doesn't extract very much, as you can see. The electrolyzed hydrogen water shows a strong color, even when you first pour it in. This shows the extractive power of electrolyzed hydrogen water. This means that electrolyzed hydrogen water has the effect of bringing out color, aroma, and flavor. This experiment used green tea, but the same results occur for miso paste or soy sauce. With this, you won't have to use as much seasoning in your cooking. Next, we'll perform an experiment with electrolyzed hydrogen water using rice. Most households wash rice with tap water. Electrolyzed hydrogen water shows a difference in color just by pouring it in. It's not just color. Using electrolyzed hydrogen water speeds up absorption, so you can shorten your soaking time, and also has the effect of cooking rice to a fluffy finish. You don't have to wash rice for as long, and the finished product tastes better. It's full of benefits. Now, we'll use this sesame oil to experiment on the resolving power of electrolyzed hydrogen water. We're pouring water into this glass of sesame oil. Using tap water, the oil and water don't mix. When we put in electrolyzed hydrogen water, it goes white and cloudy immediately. This is the resolving power of electrolyzed hydrogen water. This would be great to drink with oily foods.
ぜひおすすめいたします。
The electrolyzed hydrogen water generating device can produce two types of high-quality water: acidic water and electrolyzed hydrogen water. Electrolyzed hydrogen water is alkaline, so it can have a wide range of applications, from cooking and boiling rice to whiskey and aromatic coffee. It can be also used for broth, using its permeating and extracting ability. Acidic water can also be used broadly, from washing off tea stains to boiling noodles, creating tempura batter, and washing your face. Electrolyzed hydrogen water can do even more. It is also called hygienic water and has a cleansing and antibacterial effect. It is strongly acidic, so it has a cleansing and antibacterial effect and can be used to disinfect baby bottles, wash dishes, remove tea stains, and wash hands and feet. Test results show that invisible bacteria were not detected after 30 seconds. If you use electrolyzed hydrogen water and hygienic water creatively, they can play a role throughout your daily life. This electrolyzed hydrogen water generating device creates hydrogen efficiently, using patented technology called a high-efficiency electrolyzer, which produces little waste. Wastewater is always produced when generating electrolyzed hydrogen water. But this device minimalizes the amount of water that goes to waste. Great for your water bill. The electrolyzed hydrogen water generating device is a controlled medical device and improves gastrointestinal symptoms. It improves gastrointestinal symptoms by alleviating indigestion and stomach discomfort and aiding bowel functioning. I invite you to use this electrolyzed hydrogen water generating device for the health of your whole family.